everyone, and welcome to my channel Surabhi. This is a different type of a reading, which is pick a card reading for you, and I'm doing this reading after a long time. So here you can clearly see there are three piles: pile number 1, pile number 2, and pile number 3, and all the piles have three cards each. Okay, so you just have to focus on whichever pile you are drawn to. You have to choose one pile if you want to get some accurate messages. Okay, but if you feel that you are not able to focus, if you are not able to concentrate on one pile, then you can listen to all to the entire reading and then see whichever resonates with you. Okay, so you will have some messages for you, but the clarity will come to obviously if you are able to concentrate or on one pile. Okay, but there is no harm in choosing 2 or 3 also. Okay, you can do that, it's not that, and you will be able to understand. Maybe there is a mixed message for you, it can be that, so you can choose more piles also. So let's get started. For those of you who choose pile number 1, again I'm saying this is pile number 1, this is pile number 2, and pile number 3. If you want, you can pause the video, and just once you are seeing the picture on the paused video, you will be able to get that time to decide whichever pile you are drawn to. Okay, so that is also one way to decide as to which pile you are drawn to. Okay, so you can pause the video for a second and then take your time and then move ahead. So for those of you who have chosen pile number 1, let's see what are the messages. We have the Knight of Wands, we have the King of Pentacles, and we have the Hermit. So what I am getting here is, for those of you who have chosen this pile, you are moving very passionately towards something. You are moving pretty fast, and the target is building yourself. You want some, I think it is talking about financial stabilities basically. Now these can be in any form. Okay, whatever is important to you, it does. I don't think it is something very emotional, though it can be, but yes, you are talking this is talking about building yourself. You want a solid foundations, you are working towards that, and you are moving very passionately. Whatever you are efforts you are putting in, basically I don't see the movement in that way that you are moving actually towards something or rushing towards someone. No, what I feel here is that you are working towards it in a very passionate way. It's not, I don't feel that you are rushing in a way that you are moving very fast because you have to meet that person or you have to reach your destination, you have to reach that goal. No, it's not like that. Okay, so the energy what I am picking up here is that you have started working towards building a very solid foundations, a consolidated thing towards something. Is you want some sort of consolidation in your life, some sort of stability in your life. It can be money, it can be anything. Okay, it can be your car, it can be your house, whatever, I don't know, but yes, you are working very hard and totally focused and very passionate about this whatever you are building, because here with the Hermit you are totally in touch with your intuition. You are not moving very fast, that's what I'm saying again and again. You are working very hard towards that goal, and it is fast because you want to achieve this fast. Okay, it's not that fast as I've told you that you are moving towards somebody to meet somebody. No, it's not that speed. It is the thing which is very thought of, pre-planned, well thought, well pre-planned, intuitively guided. You know what is right. There may be some hurdles, there may be certain things which you feel are not clear to you as for now, but you are determined to reach there. Okay, and you are moving step by step but passionately. Okay, that is the exact word which I wanted to say. Though you are moving step by step towards it, perhaps then the movement may not be fast, but yes, the passion is great. There is hell lot of a passion in working towards this stability, whatever it means to you. Okay, and your intuition is giving you the right decision, your intuition is giving you the right guidance, so you are advised to follow your intuition, and if you're not following it, then do that, because your intuition will give you the right direction as to how to move to achieve this stability or whatever this means to you, the solid foundation, whatever it is for you. Okay, so that is the message for those who picked up pile number 1. So coming on to those who have chosen pile number 2. Okay, we have two major arcanas here. This is a major arcana. Here we have two major arcanas out here, which is the Judgment, the Two of Pentacles, and the World. So here, those of you who have chosen this pile, you people have been deciding over something from a pretty long time. Now again, this long time is something which was, it can be months, it can be years, it can be ages. Ages means it can be 10, 20 years, maybe even since childhood, maybe even since you've grown up. It is something like that. It is something very, very important for you, and you have been trying to take this decision which you always wanted to, but you couldn't because of something. Maybe it was affecting other people, so you couldn't make up your mind, you couldn't take that decision. Because whatever this decision is, it is not affecting only you, it is affecting other people also in your life, whatever it is. And this decision requires a lot of healing in some way, shape or form. Maybe this decision of yours will provide the healing to others, it can be that. I don't know why I got. Maybe some of you wanted to become a doctor. If there is somebody who is watching this video who is of that age group, maybe. But whatever this decision is, it is towards providing a lot of healing. That's what I'm getting. It's providing healing, it's providing help in some way, shape or form, and you need to take that decision, and you are able to do it, because once you are able to decide whatever this indecision is, you will take a decision and things will move forward. With the World card, it is definitely a new chapter of your life which is being written. You are moving towards a different sphere of your life, a different uh, chapter of your life. Okay, the only thing is you have to take that decision. Okay, so the dominating energy here is the decision part. It is a long awaited decision which has to be taken now to write a new chapter. If you want to move in a, basically for those of you who are not taking a decision, the guidance would be that take a decision if you want a new chapter of your life. It can be like read like that also. Okay, so this is a decision which has to be taken to move ahead. Okay, so take that decision. It's been pending from quite some time, perhaps you are not taking it. Maybe you have taken a lot of time in juggling between this and you've been indecisive from a pretty long time. And if you keep in this energy, obviously you will be in this energy. You keep on deciding throughout life, nobody is going to stop you. If you want to keep on taking a decision and keep on weighing the pros and cons, keep on doing that. Okay, I hope I'm not talking to a Libra out here, because they are the highly indecisive people. Librans, they are not able to make up your mind. Maybe this is resonating with them. Well, anyway, but if you have to take a decision to move forward, okay, and to move to a new chapter of your life. So that is the message for those who have chosen pile number 2. Now coming to pile number 3, let's see what are the cards there. So for those of you who have chosen pile number 3, we have the 9 of Pentacles, the 7 of Cups and the 10 of Cups. What I feel here is, I feel here somebody is single and wants to mingle. Yeah, it's nice phrase, because that is the vibe which I'm getting here. Somebody here is very, very content over here. It's not like this person is not content. This person is self-sufficient. They have everything. They have all the qualities. They have everything to themselves, financially as well as in whatever way you want to talk about. This person is self-satisfied, self-content, self-assured, self-empowered, everything in a wholesome type of an energy I'm getting in this card. Don't be gender specific. Though it is a female in this card, it can be a male. Okay, so that is something which I want to clear, not only in this card, in all the cards. So it is just the energy. So this is somebody who is self-sufficient and self-assured, spending time alone, maybe a vacation, giving all the time, enjoying all the luxuries of life, and happy in their own world. But this person, I think, has a lot of options, trying to choose over something, because they want happiness here. I think somebody is looking for a family here. Somebody wants a marriage, somebody wants commitment. Somebody here, this person, whosoever it is, whosoever has picked up this pile, they are looking for a commitment at least. Okay, and a solid, stable commitment with whom they can build a home, they can marry, something like that. Okay, so and this person maybe has, you have a lot of options, you have a lot of choices, you are not able to decide. That is something like that. So you have to take a decision. Again, you are confused. There are all the options, the good and the bad. You are up in the air about it. You are not able to take a decision, because maybe the options are, some of the options will be, maybe some of them, the guidance here is that do not marry or commit because of something which is very attractive to you from outside. That is what wanted to come through, because I was attracted towards this money part. So do not commit to someone who is wealthy, or who is very well to do financially, because if you do that, you may have to deal with the negative stuff associated with this wealth. So that is a message which wanted to come out very, very strongly over here. Okay, so do not be lured by anything, be it wealth, be it anything else, be it status, be it anything, whatever it is, because it can lure you. It can lure you. There may be something which is alluring you, which is luring you to take a decision. Okay, from whatever you options you have to choose. Okay, maybe the person is wealthy, maybe they have all the status in the world, maybe they have all the power in the world. Okay, maybe something like that is glittering and attracting you to make a decision. Don't do that, because it may have a lot of negative stuff behind it. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so make your decision wisely, make a choice wisely. So, and if you are able to take a right decision, if you're able to take a wise decision over here, you will be able to have this happiness and this whatever you are looking for, the commitment and the happy family life. Okay, so make a wise decision over here. Don't be lured by worldly materialistic things. Okay, so you have to take a wise decision over here. Whosoever has picked up pile number 3. Okay, so hope you like this reading and hope it really helps you all, and that's all I have for you. Please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.